They are there on their vacation. By Brian P. Clearly. Illustrated by Jim Paliot. In town, there lives a family. Their name is Tuckabee. They are not the type who likes resorts, the mountains, or the sea. And so, when they vacation, their mission is to find a place that's quite unusual, then go there to unwind. The kids, they are in the car. They ask their parents, "Are we there?" while they're on their way to see the world's largest underwear. They're absolutely giant, says their youngest, Mary Claire. In all the land, there couldn't be a more enormous pair. There's 60 pounds of cotton and elastic, and they're sewn with 16,000 stitches, says their docent, Mrs. Malone. Next, they're on the road to see the Narwhal Petting Zoo. Their Grandma Tuckabee is there to meet up with the crew. There aren't too many folks in line. Their grandma says to Mark, they are all across the street at that enormous water park. Mom and Dad take photographs of Grandma and their kids, who feed the long tusked mammals bits of fishes, shrimps, and squids. Next stop for an overnight, they are happy to arrive at Indoor Acres Camping Ground right there off 95. It's air-conditioned, said their mom. No sunburn, no mosquitoes, with stores there that sell everything from bear claws to burritos, with microwaves to make their s'mores or heat their franks and beans. They are camping in the great indoors, complete with machines. There's time for spooky stories now, says Mark to Marie Claire while watching his TV. Dad says, "Kids, get some sleep in there." The last stop on their list this year, they're driving north to see how cheesy pups are made inside their awesome factory. They're singing and they're playing games until Mark stops to say, "Look, you guys, we'll be there soon. It's just 5 miles away." There are some huge tanks. They're filling with corn and oil and cheeses that splurt out on conveyor belts and puffs like tiny sneezes. Inside their space-age puffing room, the blobs are shot with air, so now they are light and floaty as they bob about in there. They are powdered in their special room. They are counted, bagged, and weighed, and that, declares their expert, is how cheesy puffs are made. With their vacation now complete, they are all discussing where they'll take their next vacation, and they can't wait to go there. The end.